Hello, my dear students. I welcome you again in the module 2 of the lesson Safety and First Aid. In spite of being careful, sometimes accidents do happen. Accidents can hurt or injure us. In case of any accident, we must inform an adult or a doctor. Till the doctor arrives, we can give first aid to the victim. First aid is the aid or treatment given to the injured person before the arrival of a doctor. Timely first aid could prevent a victim's condition from worsening. For wounds, cuts, scratches, first wash your hands with soap and water. Then wash the wound under running water and clean it with an antiseptic lotion. Cover the wound with a bandage. A tourniquet is a cord or bandage that is tied tightly around a limb to stop the flow of blood. It should always be tied above the wound and never on the wound. Nosebleed is a dripping of blood from the nostrils. It happens when blood vessels inside our nose burst. In case of nosebleed, we should try to stay calm and relaxed. We should sit up straight and lean slightly forward. We should pinch our nostrils closed for a few minutes. We should place an ice pack on the bridge of our nose. Sometimes we accidentally twist a joint, resulting in torn ligaments. This condition is called a sprain. Sprains can be very painful. The injured part swells up. Rub ice on the swelling till it becomes less. For support, tie a bandage in figure of 8. It allows maximum movement of the joint such as elbow, knee, wrist and ankle. When a bone breaks or cracks, it is called a fracture. This can cause unbearable pain. Do not try to move the patient or touch. The fractured area needs a rigid support called splint. A splint will prevent displacement of the bone and help avoid injuries to the surrounding area. We can use a newspaper, a magazine or a cardboard as a splint. In case of a fractured arm, do not let it hang down. Instead, use a sling to support it. A sling is a flexible strap used in the form of a loop for support. Simple burns. We should immediately put the burnt area under cold running water and then apply an antiseptic lotion. For severe burns, we should never touch or prick a blister. We should gently cover the blister with a clean piece of cloth. For chemical burns, we should wash the affected area with plenty of water. We should lightly cover it with a piece of clean cloth. Many animals like dogs, cats, monkeys may carry rabies virus. In case of any animal bite, immediately wash the affected area with soap and water. Apply an antiseptic lotion and cover with a bandage. In case of snake bite, we should keep the person calm and still. Position the person so that bite area is below the heart level. Cover the wound with a clean dry dressing. Do not give the person tea or coffee to drink. If you are walking through an area where snakes are found, wear high boots to protect your feet. Always keep a few important telephone numbers in your diary, like telephone numbers of police station, fire station and ambulance. So my dear students, that's all from this lesson. Thank you very much. Stay safe